To find your class QR code, you'll need to access the ClassDojo platform, which can be done by visiting the website or downloading the app. Once you've logged into your teacher's dashboard, you can navigate to the class you want to view the QR code for and click on the Settings tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, including the Class QR code section. Here, you'll see the QR code, which parents can scan with their smartphone camera to join the class. You also have the option to download or share the QR code. The process is seamless, and once you have access to the QR code, you can easily join the class. Accessing the ClassDojo platform is straightforward. Simply type the website's URL into your browser's search bar and sign into your account. If you haven't signed up before, you can do so from the website. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your teacher's dashboard, where you can view your classes and navigate to the QR code section. Overall, finding your class QR code on the ClassDojo platform is a straightforward and efficient process.